Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram not login in another phone. So unfortunately, sometimes when this problem happens, it's purely on Instagram's side. So what it means is that no matter what you do, it's Instagram's fault, right? It's their server that's having the issue because to my knowledge, Instagram don't have a login limit, right? So no matter how many devices you log in from, it won't limit how much you will log in, right? So even if you log into your account from 10 different phones, all those 10 different phones will be able to log in just fine. Another common problem is that you just put in your password wrong, right? So for example, I'm logging in like this. I put it in my password wrong. It'll give me a notification like this that says incorrect password. Sometimes it could be as simple as that. You just mistyped or have a typo in your password. But if you're sure that your password is correct and it's still not logging in, then your only solution now is just to wait from Instagram to fix their issue and to get the server running back up again and functionally. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.